Hi, welcome to Godwood Institute of Accounting and Taxation. Today, let's go for one advanced MS Excel tip, that is most powerful formula of Excel, that is VLook Up Function. In the first sheet we have all the check issued details, check number, customer name, and amount of check issued. In the second sheet, I want to know the check details of these check numbers 1258, 1239, and 1025. Here I'm using VLookUp function, equal to VLOOKUP, open bracket, then mention lookup value. Here our lookup value is check number, so we select the cell C3. Then comma, next I have to mention the table array, which is from column B to column C. I have to start from column B because my lookup value is check number. Then I have to mention column index number, which is 2, because my target value is customer name, which is second column from column B. I want the exact match result, so I update it as 0. Also I use $ in the formula to lock the table. Here you can see the result. In the same way I need to find out the check amount details by using lookup formula. If you want to learn more, please join with US Godwood Institute of Accounting and Taxation based in Calicut, Kerala. Admission is open for advanced MS Excel course. Online and offline classes are available. Here we again put the $ to lock the cell. US check the VLookUp result with database. Yeah, it's matching with result. If you want, we can check more. Yeah, it's also matching with the result. Thanks for watching. Join US for more advanced MS Excel classes.